Welcome. In front of me is a XIAOMI Redmi 5 and I'll show you how to access Fastboot. So to start, we'll need to power off the device, so let's do that by holding the power key and selecting power off, and one more time. Wait for the device to turn off. And once it's off, we will hold power key and volume down, so these two. So let's do that. And keep holding them, and as you can see, now we're in Fastboot mode. So this is how you exit, and if you want to leave this mode, you can hold power key till the phone turns off, and once it's off, it will automatically turn back on. So, okay, as you just seen, it vibrates and it's coming back on. So this is how you access Fastboot mode and also leave it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.